Hey guys, well, the microphone stopped working, so I don't know. So we're open mic'd here. Anyways, so it decided to stop working, so I don't have the problem with it, but anyways, whatever. So anyway, Mullet Beach on the 27th day of April, 2025. Walk back. It was $30 for 2 chairs and all of a sudden the mic stopped working now and didn't register, so I don't know what's going on. So got a little wet the other day, so I think probably that's what happened. So oh well, that's what happens. I got another back home, but we got the GOPRO. We can always use that too for more video if I decide to. So anyways, so kind of tell how high it comes up. Right here, you can kind of tell the rocks are going to pull you in if you're not careful. That's the way she goes, the mic, but yeah, it's a cool beach. Wow, there's a plane coming in. This is on the other side of Maarten. There it is. United. So yeah. Something happened to it, it stopped working. The mic did, so we'll see what happens. It's disappointing, but it's the way she goes. You win some, you lose some. It's a cool beach. Lots of music playing. Goes all the way like over there, walks up over there. Strong one. That's a strong one. Gotta be careful. You never know, man. Pretty cool. I mean, I like it. Lots of people. But I can imagine during the cruise season, this place is probably just packed full of people. Packed full. Those kids are going up, and then they just kind of ride it back down, make a little surf. Down they go. Over here. Kind of ride it in. $10 all day. Yeah, okay. Woo. Yeah, I'll just on the other side. So I don't know if it was the whatever got wet, it's the mic or it's the extension. We'll have to find out when we get back. So who knows? But it is what it is. Nothing's always perfect. When you're working with water and cameras that doesn't waterproof, things happen. It rained yesterday in the evening and everything else, so supposed to rain this afternoon, so I don't know. Turn out. Who knows? Trying to make this thing so it doesn't. Make sure that thing is closed. So we go in the water. We'll see what happens. I don't want to go there when it's not closed. So, anyways, guys, up Mullet Beach. There it is.